Hello, everyone. Welcome to Going English A1 Listening Prep. Listen to each question carefully and answer the questions. This is an example. Listen and answer the question.
What is Chloe putting on her feet?
It's cold. I'm wearing my socks.
Good. Don't forget your shoes.
What is Chloe putting on her feet?
Are you ready? The audio will only play once. There are 15 questions in this test.
What is Anna wearing?
Anna, are you cold?
No, I'm wearing my sweater.
Oh, nice color.
What is Anna wearing? What does Ben want to buy?
Do you need new shoes, Ben?
No, I need new jeans.
Okay, let's buy some.
What does Ben want to buy? What is Mia putting on?
It's sunny today. I need my sunglasses.
Good idea.
What is Mia putting on? What is Leo wearing on his head?
Leo, do you like your new cap?
Yes, I love my cap.
What is Leo wearing on his head? What shoes is Emma wearing?
Are you wearing sandals, Emma?
Yes. It's hot today.
What shoes is Emma wearing? What color is Paul's jacket?
Your jacket is nice, Paul.
Thanks, it's blue.
What color is Paul's jacket? What is Sarah wearing?
Is Sarah wearing a dress?
No, she's wearing a skirt.
What is Sarah wearing? What is Jack putting on?
It's cold outside. I need my scarf.
Don't forget your gloves too.
What is Jack putting on? What is Lisa buying?
I want new boots for winter.
These boots are perfect.
What is Lisa buying? What is David wearing today?
Wow, David, you're wearing a tie.
Yes, I have a meeting.
What is David wearing today? What is Julia wearing at the beach?
It's very hot. I'm wearing my shorts.
Good idea.
What is Julia wearing at the beach? What is Max wearing on his feet?
Are those your new sneakers, Max?
Yes, I love them.
What is Max wearing on his feet? What is Emma putting on her hands?
It's snowing. I need my gloves.
Yes, keep your hands warm.
What is Emma putting on her hands? What does Olivia want to buy?
I want a new dress for the party.
Oh, let's go shopping!
What does Olivia want to buy? What is Tom wearing to school?
Tom, you look smart today.
Thank you. I'm wearing my white shirt.
What is Tom wearing to school?
Great work, everyone. The transcriptions are available on our website. Go and check them out.